Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to go incognito on Firefox so you can browse privately without saving your history or cookies. Step 1. Open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Make sure the browser is running so you can access its privacy options. Step 2. Click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens Firefox's main menu where browsing tools are located. Step 3. Click New Private Window from the menu. Firefox will instantly open a private browsing window. Step 4. Confirm you are in private mode by checking the purple mask icon at the top. This means Firefox will not save your browsing history, cookies, or search data. Step 5. Start browsing normally in the private window. Once you close the window, all private session data will be cleared automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.